Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly fix zoom stutter lag in Adobe Illustrator on Windows. This fix targets unoptimized graphics engine overrides and display rules inside Adobe Illustrator to ensure zooming in and out of complex vector paths stays fluid. First, launch Illustrator. Click the Edit menu located at the absolute top left corner of the interface viewport. Scroll down near the bottom of the drop-down choices. Hover your cursor over Preferences and click Performance. When the Layout Configuration window launches, shift your eyes immediately to the top section explicitly block-labeled GPU Performance. Locate the checkbox explicitly labeled Animated Zoom. Click that checkbox to turn it completely off. Animated Zoom forces smooth frame transitions that heavily choke your processor when rendering thousands of vector anchor points simultaneously on your canvas. Next, look right above it at the GPU Performance checkbox itself. If you are running an ultra-high resolution or multi-monitor setup and still experiencing massive layout drops while zooming, toggle this checkbox off to shift vector processing back to your CPU engine rules, testing if your dedicated graphics card architecture is creating a pipeline bottleneck. Now, look at the bottom. Turn off real-time drawing and editing to stop Illustrator from calculating live asset transformations across complex groups while you pan and zoom. Finally, click OK button at the bottom to permanently validate your new workspace settings. Close and restart your Adobe Illustrator software to launch a completely fresh, stutter-free vector editing session. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.